Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a PS4 controller to GeForce Now. Alright, let's begin. First, install the Steam application on your computer if you haven't already, and open Steam. Now, go to Steam Settings, then plug in your PS4 controller. In the controller section, enable all the options and make sure PlayStation controller support is turned on. Next, close the settings. In the bottom left corner of Steam, click the Add a Game button, then select Add a non-Steam game. Click Browse and locate the NVIDIA GeForce Now application on your computer, usually on the desktop. Select it and click Add Selected Programs. Now, go to your Steam library. You should see GeForce Now listed there. Select it and launch the application through Steam. Your PS4 controller will now work with GeForce Now, letting you play games seamlessly. So that's basically how you can connect a PS4 controller to GeForce Now. That's it for this video. Thanks.